So, Marcel is about to do Spanish cedar.
Blindfolded.
No, with his hands tied behind his back. Good. Nice. Mojo.
It's so weird.
At 1659, Marcel got Spanish cedar as a bow drill. All right, Andrew is about to try Spanish cedar Cedrela Odorata with a jog of about 600 on a bow drill. You know, your spindle's not really straight the way I'm looking at it, just so you know. It's hard to see, but it's, there you go. Nice and long strokes. All right, you're good. Mojo. Got your mojo back, right? Good job. So, that's 1655. Andrew did Spanish cedar on bow drill.